Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In today's video, I review Florence by Mills. This is Millie Bobby Brown's makeup and skincare line that just launched recently here, and they actually just went into Sephora today. Enough rambling about that. Let's get right into the Florence by Mills skincare. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, which who knows when that happens, but we've been lucky lately. Let's try out some of the skincare. So in today's video, I'm going to be getting my first impressions on every product that I could get my hands on from the skincare line. So I got 6 pieces from the skincare line. The only ones I didn't get is the facial exfoliating scrub and the under eye balm, and then the lip oil as well, but I wasn't very interested in that, so I hopefully will get to try out the eye cream soon. The applicator on it looks really interesting, so I definitely want to try that out. But for now, I've got a lot of other things to try for you. So the first thing I obviously need to do is clean my face, take off all of this makeup, and what I'm going to use to do that is their Clean Magic face wash. So to use this as a makeup remover, you just use on dry skin, rub it in, and then wipe it away using tissues, they say. I'm not going to do that because I don't believe that actually works. You know, it's just a thing. Or you can use it on wet skin as a cleanser. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. One thing to keep in mind about this product is that they are cruelty-free and vegan. They are all for all skin types. It's dermatologist tested, and they like to keep it clean, so they try to do this without some of those ingredients that you may not want in your skincare. I must say everything in this line is really affordable. I like that Millie kind of stuck to her target audience. Some teenage girls, preteen girls who are just getting into their skincare routine. And then there's obviously me, who's in her 20s and just wanted to try it because Millie Bobby Brown is cool. But they have really nice, simple packaging, as you can see here. Really affordable skincare, so that's always nice. Well, let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, they do have little safety seals in here too, which is good. I like when brands do this just because it is important for the customer to know that their product hasn't been contaminated with and that it'll be safe to use on their skin. So one thing to also note is that you're not supposed to get this near your eyes, so this is not an eye makeup remover. Don't put it near your eyes, please and thank you. Oh, it smells like cucumber. Alright, now just taking a damp towel, I'm going to wipe that off. I think it does do a really good job removing everything. It's coming off pretty quickly here. I'm going to get the rest of my makeup off with an eye makeup remover, but I just wanted to see how this worked as a remover. And it works really nicely, actually. It seems really gentle on the skin. Like, I don't feel like my skin is getting irritated because of this. It's just kind of showing through my natural redness that occurs. So now that I've tried the face wash, and I actually really like it, there's no sticky residue on my face, which is usually my problem with face washes. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the Zero Chill Face Mist. I'm assuming you could use this before makeup, before you go to bed, just to kind of spray and refresh your skin. It says on the bottle to dance and shake around before use, and then just gently spritz the face. Everyone knows how a facial spray works. There's a lot of them out there. This one's got rose in it, so I'm super excited to try it out. Again, cruelty-free, vegan, all that fun stuff. It smells really nice. It doesn't smell like that fake rose fragrance that you can kind of get. It really smells like real roses. It feels really nice on the skin too. I'm a fan of that. And then this is what that bottle looks like. Next, I'm going to go ahead and try the One Swipe Glow Wipe Treatment Pads. Now these you will need to use several times to see any type of results, but these are really nice for exfoliation and making sure your skin is radiant. And again, just super cute minimalistic packaging. I love the purple theme that they got going here. So you get 30 pads in these ones, so you can use that for obviously 30 days. I would say use this at nighttime only, so that it can kind of help your other skincare to soak in. So they also give you this really cute little spoon to help get them out. If I can, you know, kind of keep that. Oh, and it's a really nice lid. It's one that's actually sturdy that you would think to keep instead of just screwing the lid back on. So that's nice. So let's use this to get the pad out. So this is what the pad looks like here. We can kind of see. And then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this across those areas where I want more radiance, which is my entire face. And you can feel them kind of working. I'm guessing there's some type of glycolic acid in here that helps work. It says use AM and PM, but I honestly would only do this at nighttime. It really feels like my face is being exfoliated right now. Like I can actually feel it working. Whereas some exfoliating wipes you don't feel as much. I want to see what the active ingredient is in here. Glycolic acid, I knew it! Look how gross that is. So next up are the two things, and the last two things of this video as well, but they're probably the two things that are most talked about with this brand or that you see most often, and that is the Mind Glow Peel Off Mask and the Swimming Under the Eyes Gel Pads, the ones that are super cute and they look like whales, and I'm obsessed. So for the under eye patches, you do get 60 of them, so obviously that is 30 pairs. You can use these every night. You can use them once or twice a week to save them up. I would prefer to use them once or twice a week. I don't feel that I need that much hydration under my eyes right now, but it is a fun little thing that you can do. Again, little spatula spoon. Oh yes, look at that. You can just see all of the little, like, look at that, how cute it is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Oh, there's two of them there. Sick. So I'm going to apply these whale side out because the most concern I have is for the outer corners of my eyes. That is where the most signs of aging can happen. Well, these are bigger than I thought they would be, to be honest. I mean, you can see them being done either way, but I think when you have the bigger side out here, it can help more with like crow's feet and things like that. So I got my little whales on. Cute. So then for these, you are supposed to leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes. And then at the same time, I'm going to go ahead and paint on my little mask. So we've got the mask here. And look at that gorgeousness. Alright, so now all you have to do is sit in, watch a movie, something like that. This mask stays on for 30 minutes, so it's a really nice spa, long wearing mask. I'm absolutely obsessed already. I can feel it kind of working in my skin already. It's a little bit tingly, but not bad. So yeah, I'm going to check back in 30 minutes when it's time to take off this mask, and I'll let you know my final thoughts. It's been about 30 minutes, so it's time to take these masks off and see how it feels. I like these little holes. I feel like I can just kind of grab them. Oh, they're kind of dinky. So there's our little whales. They can go in the trash or on the floor because I missed the trash. And then we're just gonna peel this guy off. Part of it doesn't seem like it dried all the way, but it was 30 minutes, so I don't know, might just let that part sit. And then just to finish up the routine, I did forget that I also purchased this. I have the Dreamy Dew Moisturizer. So this one you can use day and night, and I honestly am just going to probably use at nighttime. I'm going to take off that little seal. I keep forgetting that there's a seal on this thing. Bam, seal is off. And I love that they're all in squeezy tubes. Sometimes jars can be hard to get into. Squeezy tubes are just so much easier to use. And I like that it's not like super lotiony looking. It feels more like a gel than anything else. And then again, it's got that same kind of nice cucumbery scent that the rest of the skincare line has as well. So it just smells super fresh. And it feels really nice on the skin. It feels like I'm putting water into my skin. I feel like that's weird, and that's normally what you would feel with a moisturizer, but it like feels like it's really soaking into my skin really nicely. So just gonna kind of massage that into my neck. So that is every skincare product from Florence by Mills that I could get my hands on tried out. I'm overall pretty impressed with this skincare line. I did see some mixed reviews, and I'd like to see how it wears over the next few days when I test it out. But as of right now, I'm really liking it. My skin feels really nice and refreshed. I want them to come out with something for acne spots, like a little spot cream, because I feel like that's something that teens really fight with as well. So I would like to see that. Hopefully they come out with that in the future, and I'm excited to see where the line goes. If they go into specific skin types, if they go into more masks, things like that. So I'm excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun trying out all of these new skincare products. I'm definitely going to try them out over the next week, and I'll update the description box with how it went. And of course, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll get all of the updates on there. It is at Megan Marie Makeup. It is linked below and is on the screen here for you to see. So make sure you check that out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.